How's it going, guys? Stas here. Welcome back to another video. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate you all for tuning in as we're going to break down SoFi stock and the entire stock market, which, guys, as of now, everything's in the red. The indexes, SoFi stock. So we have a lot to cover. The charts, what I'm looking to do, the whole 9 yards, guys. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Join the free email stock newsletter and check out my Patreon if you guys want. If you want to keep up with my portfolio, what I'm doing throughout the week, that is down below. And with that being said, cheers again. Let's dive into it. So it's a little bit past noon on the East Coast, and we have SoFi stock down 2.5%, trading at $13.40, down 30 cents on the day, as every index, like I said in the intro, is in the red as well. The S&P 500's down 0.4%. Same with QQQ and the Dow for that matter, as the Russell's not down much. It's actually pretty much at break even, down a whopping point. You can see it's down 0.05%. Not much at all, as the VIX is down a little bit. VIX is at 18 points, and we have the metals creeping up about 1.5% each in terms of gold and silver. Those are creeping up a little bit. But yeah, pretty much across the board, guys, we're down. Not a crazy screaming red day or anything like that, but we are down across the board here. And SoFi is clearly wrestling in the mid-13s right now. We're down on the day about 2.5%, like I said, and we've been downtrending pretty much all day. Well, I guess not downtrending all day, but we crashed in the morning for the first, 30 minutes, 40 minutes of trading, and we've slowly been consolidating the last couple of hours, slightly, I guess, trickling down here, downtrending, continuing the downtrend from this morning, but it's kind of slowing down a bit as we're holding the mid-low 13s, more like the mid-13s at this point, at about 1340-ish. So SoFi, guys, at this point in time is continuing this little mini downtrend, quote-unquote, that it's been on over the last couple of days. You're noticing that here on this 5-day, 5-minute. Noticing it on the 30-minute chart as well. If I get this channel tool out, you'll be able to see it. You guys can see that right here. So we were uptrending for a good couple of weeks there. Now we've slowly been selling off in this channel. You're noticing it on the 30-minute chart. And now with today's trading so far, we are getting rejected at these moving averages and the top of the channel on this 30-minute chart. Both not ideal for the bulls, right? This spot needs to break for the bulls, the mid-high 13s, back over $14. That would be ideal for the bulls, but we're just not getting it quite yet. So that's the breakdown on the 30-minute chart. On the 1-hour chart now, the more you pull the layers back, the better it looks for the bulls, right? So when in doubt, zoom out. You've heard that time and time again, not just on this channel, but on other channels, obviously. That's a saying, when in doubt, zoom out. So on the 1-hour time frame, the cup and handle is still intact, right? We have the cup right here, handle right here, kind of in the making right now, as we're in this little mini downtrend over the last couple of days. So it comes back down to us breaking back over this downtrending channel, retaking these moving averages on the 30-minute and the 1-hour time frames, and it comes down to us breaking back over $14.50, and that's where the real breakout could start to come, right? As of now, though, we're figuring ourselves out in the mid-13s, high 13s, which has been resistance. I mean, if you think about it, if you look at this 4-hour time frame, 13 of 14, 1450, this has been resistance pretty much ever since the end of February. We hit 1465, 1475 back in the end of February. Then we got down all the way to about $8, which I was buying that dip. Full disclosure, you guys know that. I was buying the dip. And we've struggled to really break out of this 1450 range again, which if I draw this out, you'll really notice it, right? You'll see. End of February, we got hit there. We got hit there end of March. We got hit there end of April. Now, literally just a couple days ago, mid-May, we got hit in the mid 14, 15 range. So that's big resistance. But at the same time, we're actually making higher lows. So you can argue we have an ascending triangle here on Sofi. You're seeing it on the 4-hour chart. We have that cup and handle, which is bullish. We have the inverse head and shoulders, which is bullish. So even though we're down on the day, even though we're down over the last couple of days, there are still a lot of positive signs on the chart here for the bulls when it comes to the longer-term charts. That's why, again, when in doubt, zoom out. You're noticing, like I said, inverse head and shoulders, cup and handle, ascending triangle. These are all bullish, but we just have to be patient and wait and kind of give it time to play out. But yeah, as of now, that's what we're looking at. You know, we're trading at 1340, down 2.5%. I'm going to set some alerts. Let's see if we can retake $14 per share. I'll do that now. Mark is at or above $14, and I'll do another one at $14.50. And by the way, if you guys haven't hit the like button yet, hit that like button on this video. Make sure to subscribe, follow along for more content. I appreciate all of your support as always. And again, join that free email stock newsletter. You're going to want to get in there, guys. Make sure to do that. Link down below. Now, let me show you what the indexes are doing very quickly, maybe some other stocks that are moving. So SPY's down 0.4% right now, but obviously well within the breakout overall. And yesterday we actually had a pretty good day where we took out the highs from last week. So I would say the bulls are still very much in charge on the indexes. Obviously, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to tell you that. You're noticing it on SPY. You're noticing it on QQQ. The Russell is looking pretty good. It's about to go green right now, which would be interesting. And the Dow Jones, I mean, all these on the 1-hour time frame, they all look phenomenal. Dow Jones just hit a fresh high, not an all-time high, but a high on this time frame yesterday. So even though we're down across the board here, guys, today, yesterday was a very good day for stocks where we took out the highs from the previous week on the indexes here, which is very good. We're continuing this momentum to the upside is what that means. And let me see some other stocks that are moving today. We have some, some meme stocks moving. We have Beyond Meat, which at this point is a meme stock. It's up 4.5%, slowly breaking out of this downtrend, which is nice, but nowhere near fully breaking out. We have Rivian, which is breaking out. This is up another whopping 4.2%. And Rivian today, guys, took out the highs from January. We hit about, 1650, 1675 in January. Now we're breaking over 17. This is a very good sign overall. On Rivian, momentum's continuing. Looks like Celsius is also moving. CELH is the ticker. It's up 2.6%. Not bad. Celsius having a decent day. Humana is up a little bit, 2.2%. Not looking great on the charts, though. Tesla up another 1.82% after we got news that Elon is staying as CEO for another 5 years at least, unless he dies, he said. So that's pushing up Tesla stock today. I think earlier it was up even more. Yeah, we hit 354 right after open, then we sold off. Now we're starting to continue to move here back in the green. So bulls are definitely out of hibernation when it comes to Tesla stock, and we'll see if that continues now as we're filling the gap towards 360, 370 by the looks of it. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the free email stock newsletter. Check out the Patreon if you're interested for my portfolio updates. All of that is down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.